So a lot of times people want to know why us versus another contractor, just in general, what we do that's sort of different, etc. So it's interesting. Our company's been around for about 36 years now. It was primarily, the first owner was a window guy. We were primarily a window company. The second owner, again, was a vice president with a window company in Chicago called Republic Windows. And then we partnered up with Max about 4 years ago now, and our background's primarily in siding and windows. So from an experience perspective, again, we've been in the market serving the Chicagoland area for the better part of 36 years. Again, doing a myriad of window, door, and siding projects. So from an experience perspective, from a variety of jobs, seeing different things in the Chicago suburbs, we're very well versed kind of in Chicago and in the window and siding and door kind of areas. I think one of the exciting things for us is that, although we continue to grow, we still kind of have our small roots. So when you're dealing with All-Star, you're not dealing with salespeople, you're dealing directly with the owners. So myself and Max will be going out and we're talking to all our customers. We're not only your salespeople, but we're also going to run the projects. So we also work project management. One of the things that has really become, I think, unique or different is as technology sort of moved forward, we're really having a lot of fun with the design features and working with our customers about the different things that they can do on their house. So I think one of the things that you're going to get from dealing with us is, again, our excitement on grasping the latest technologies that will help us and to help our customers or our clients really capture what they want to do to their home before they actually have to get into the, paying for it or making wrong decisions or doing things like that. That's all included in our program. So we're not charging for design work. We're not charging for the technologies that we're working with. That's actually something that we just do with our clients up front before they've made decisions, so that they can feel good about the process and good about things before they actually end up buying. One of the other things that I think you're going to get from us is not only have we adapted and kind of kept up to speed with from an IT technology, but I also think from a products technology. I'm going to start playing around with a little feature on our Instagram account. But one of the things that we get kind of geeked up or excited about is a lot of the new products that are coming to the market, and us bringing our customers those kind of unique products. And a lot of the times we're going to do that as standard in our program for our customers. So a lot of new technologies around energy efficiency, whether that's wrap technologies, foam insulating technologies, window technologies. There's a lot of little things we do. I was an executive vice president for James Hardie for about 20 years. I dealt with small contractors. I ran the installation best practice side of our business, and a lot of the little things that we kind of grew up with inside of Hardie, we've actually taken and adapted even further. That's standard in ours, that are things that customers can't see. One of the things I always tell our clients is the expectation is our jobs look good. So if you buy windows from us, you buy a door, you buy a deck, you buy siding, the expectation should be, I'm finished and I've got this great looking product. Whether it's for me or any other person that you contract with or contract with, that should be the general expectation. We pride ourselves on, hey, at the end of the day, we want to deliver that end result that the homeowner loves and they like to look for, and then we're going to provide a lifetime workmanship warranty on that. But even more important to us is everything that you can't see underneath. It's using the latest technologies around house wrap. It's using stainless steel starter strips. It's using special fastening systems, the best touch-up paints, the best caulks, joist tape on decks that the highest quality stuff that you cannot see, that we're going to deliver as part of our project. And I tell people, if the project itself doesn't look good afterwards, if what's visible doesn't look good, I'd hate to see what's underneath. So I think that's one of the things in the kind of why All-Star is, we're sort of relentless around this pursuit from a leading edge, new technologies that are going to help our customers make better decisions new products that are going to deliver better results. And then ultimately, we pride ourselves on having the best installation teams that are factory trained, that continuously work with our suppliers on the latest techniques so that we can continue to update. As we're bringing on new products, that stuff behind the scenes I'm talking about, the Henry Blueskins of the world, the G-tapes that we're talking about, our crews are trained on those types of things so that we're doing, not only are we bringing them to our customers, but we're bringing them in the way that they're supposed to kind of be. So, I tell people, we're going to deliver the expectation that you rightfully deserve and you expect on your project, but where we're hoping to over exceed is that getting you to that, whether that's from a design and process standpoint, whether that's from an installation and what you can't see standpoint. And then it's about that after we're done the job, we're going to be there for years and years to come. If you've got questions, if you need things, if there is something that needs to be fixed or taken care of. And I think that's a bit unique to us in the sense that, the owners are there and we're going to be with you along that whole process. So we really pride ourselves on that, and I think our customers see that. And again, as we're working with our customers, we're as excited as they are to see the transformations in their homes.